Now it's time to combine these two DAG. This is totally independent master table. This is totally independent support table. Now, if you look back here, you will find there is no join in between these two tables. So let's join these two tables here. So for this, I'm going to create a new code table with this right support, and this would be PySpark from colon. I'm going to write colon and then current times 10. And also I'm going to use import. I'm going to use DLT table. With this DLT table, I'm going to write some comment, and this comment should be joining of these two tables. Close it and close it here. Now create a function which will have a gold and, or I would say, master join support. So I'm going to create this function, hit enter, and now I'm going to use customer underscore df equals to, I'm going to read both gold label inputs tables here. So this would be the gold tables and this would be the support. I'm going to gold support as well. So here you can see this is the gold support, and if you go up, this is the gold support customer. So this is the customer df and this is the gold support df, which is consisting of gold support table. Now I'm going to perform an inner join on over the customer ID, which is the common column in between these two tables. When I'm going to perform the inner join, so this would be a joined underscore df equals to customer df join with support df on customer ID. I'm going to delete this one. This would be on equals to customer ID, and what kind of join do we have? We have how equals to inner. That's it. And return customer.join, or I'm going to return this final data frame. This would be the join df. That's it. I'm not going to create anything. And let's remove this part as well because we have already imported all these files. Now go back to our ETL pipeline. Let's validate this one. Let's see what kind of join do we have. After some second, it will trigger our job cluster again and will depict all the final joins. Can you see this is showing master join support and final table is just showing here. When you go and click here, you will find all the respective schema and flows as well. Okay, and if you click on this material view and other part also, you can see this is showing everything here. That's it for this video. In next video we will see more property of it.